just tied your arms tonight. It must have been something to say. I just tied your arms tonight. I keep looking for something I can't get. Broken hearts like all around me, and I don't see an easy way to get out of this. Get out of this. The diary sits by the bedside table. The curtains are closed, the cat's in the cradle. Who would have thought that a boy like me could come to this? Whoa, I just tied your arms tonight. It must have been something to say. I just tied your arms tonight. Whoa, I just tied your arms tonight. It must have been some kind of kiss. I should've walked away. I should've walked away. Is there any just cause for feeling like this? On the surface, I'm a name on the list. I try to be discreet, but then blow it again. I've lost and found, it's my final mistake. She's loving my proxy, not giving or take. Cause I've been thrilled to fantasy one too many times.